Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
The new COVID cases in Navi Mumbai dropped on Sunday from a high of 352 a day earlier but still registered close to 300 figure. The city has reported almost 11,500 cases so far. 288 new COVID-19 cases were reported by Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation on the day, taking the total in Navi Mumbai to 11,426 positive cases. Fewer deaths, that is 3, were reported on Sunday, taking the COVID toll to 343. Almost 10% of those who have tested positive today are children. Ghansoli, followed by Koparkherni and Nerul, reported the highest number of cases on the day. The recovery figure fell to 225 and continues to be lower than the daily new cases reported. The recovery percentage is holding on to a high of 63% today. The active cases have increased slightly to 3,870. 81,408 people have completed their quarantine period, while 68,992 people have been quarantined at home. A total of 29,238 people have been tested for COVID-19 in NMMC jurisdiction till date. 17,426 of these have tested negative. Results of 383 tests are awaited. The breakup of 288 positive cases ward-wise is Belapur Ward 30, Nerul Ward 56, Vashi Ward 15, Turbe Ward 27, Koparkherni Ward 56, Ghansoli Ward 59, Airoli Ward 36 and Digha Ward 9. Almost 10% of the positive cases today are that of children below 18 years of age. A record number of 25 children have tested positive today. These include a 17-year-old girl and a 15-year-old boy from Sector 9 in Devagaon, a 15-year-old boy from Sector 14 in Koparkherni, a 16-year-old boy from Sector 36 in Karavi Seawoods, a 9-year-old girl from Sector 21 in Juinagar, a 17-year-old boy from Sector 25 in Nosil Naka, a 6-year-old boy from Sector 17 in Airoli, an 11-year-old girl from Sector 19 in Nerul, a 15-year-old girl from Sector 8 in Airoli, a 16-year-old boy from Sector 24 in Juinagar, a 2-year-old girl from Sector 22 in Turbegaon, a 16-year-old boy from Sector 10 in Nerul, a 6-year-old girl from Ghansoli Gaon, a 2-year-old girl from Sector 21 in Turbe, a 7-year-old boy from Sector 22 in Turbe, a 16-year-old girl from Sector 24 in Sanpada, a 3-year-old boy and a 3-year-old girl from Sector 5 in Ghansoli, a 6-year-old boy from Sector 50E in Seawoods, a 5-year-old boy from Ghansoli, a 5-year-old boy from Sector 12 in Koparkherni, a 17-year-old boy from Sector 1 in Ghansoli, an 8-year-old boy and a 10-year-old girl from Sector 12 in Bashi, and a 2-year-old girl from Sector 5 in CBD Belapur. The breakup of 225 recoveries ward-wise is as follows: Belapur Ward 17, Nerul Ward 49, Vashi Ward 15, Turbe Ward 19, Koparkherni Ward 70, Ghansoli Ward 32, Airoli Ward 18 and Digha Ward 5. Though below 300 yet close to it, the new cases figure continues to be high despite the 16 days of lockdown in the city. There is a need for new ideas and measures to be taken fast. The residents of course need to maintain discipline and follow the norms. Stay safe. For Avas to Shanawaz Jerry, Navi Mumbai.
Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.